Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. So if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, which is 900-936-8238. Now question number 2, 1B is 0.2 centimeter square. Calculate the force required to increase the length of a wire of steel of cross-sectional area of 0.2 cm by 25% given y equal to 2 into 10 to the power 11. Further, if this wire is cut into two equal halves, then what will be the Young's modulus of each part? So this is the question number 1B, and we have prepared all the answers according to it. If you need answer of this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any other helps also, so you can contact too.